Hello there. Being a complete car nut myself, I've always looked for smart and cost-effective solutions how to improve my car and my driving skills. A few years ago, I had every petrolhead's dream job, to work as a marketing director in one of the best racetracks in Northern Europe. I had a chance to talk with a lot of car enthusiasts, professional drivers, bikers, drifters, time attackers, and I realized that many of them were facing the same problem as I did. How to measure the performance data of the car and how to apply this data to make improvements for a reasonable price. This was the reason for my team and I to start develop Wivel, a matchbox-sized racing team, a single device designed for enthusiasts and car owners to work with their mobile applications. Now take a look at some of the data that Wivel can measure for you. You don't have to buy 2 or 3 products anymore. You get all that in one small device. Wivel is designed to work with multiple apps such as Race Chrono and Harry's Lap Timer that help you to connect with your car. Wivel has install kits for track cars and bikes, and install kits for people who like the interiors looking crisp and clean. Fellow petrol heads, if this got your palms sweaty and you are as excited as I am, please help us to get into production by supporting us and sharing our campaign site.